I came in feeling incredibly disconnected. I feel way more connected to myself and to other people and to the land than I have in a very long time. And it feels incredibly healing to have had even just 4 days of just being immersed in this retreat and in this experience. I don't think I realized how simple it was to just work with nature and to have a relationship with it in a way that can be so easily supportive and medicinal, especially like thinking about like the tincture classes and making the salves. And it's so easy to make all of this stuff. I didn't realize that we learned the folk method and just like learning how simple and accessible and like you can do it at home and you don't need that many supplies to do half of this stuff. So just having it within your reach feels really special. I feel refreshed, I feel excited, I feel inspired, and I feel more clear now than I have in a really long time.